Today we're going to cook Bratkartoffelh, a very simple but very tasty traditional German dish. So first of all we need to chop the bacon and the onions. For this I'll use my Schmidt Sohn Pro Chef's knife. I always use the same knife because I don't want to have to mess around in the kitchen using other knives and stuff, so I know exactly what I'm getting with this knife. So after we've chopped the onions and the bacon, we need to peel and chop the potatoes. So I'll use my Pego peeler to peel the potatoes. So once the potatoes are peeled, then we can chop the potatoes into the pieces that we need for cooking. So once we've got all the ingredients prepared, we can start cooking. So the next step, we'll heat my Pro X frying pan up to a medium heat, and then we'll add some olive oil, generous amount of olive oil, and a generous knob of butter. And then when the knob of butter is melted, we can add the potatoes. The butter's melted, so we'll add the potatoes. Just squeeze down a little bit until they're slightly browned. And the lovely thing about the German fried potatoes is that, you know, some of them they won't be evenly cooked, some of them will be nice and fluffy and bright, and some of them will be nice and crispy and brown on the outside. As I say, this will take about 15 minutes. You just keep moving around the frying pan and make sure the potatoes are all cooked all the way through. We're ready to take these out. Let's just try it with a knife. Yeah, that's soft in the middle now. Let me take these out and drain them on our piece of paper. For the next step, we are going to cook the bacon and the onions. They go in the same frying pan. The onions are in the pan, and the bacon. We want to cook the onions so they're soft, just caramelising. Yeah, that lovely brown colour. And we get the flavour out of the bacon. And now we're ready to put the potatoes back in the frying pan to make sure that they're heated all the way through. So, and they'll be lovely well mixed in with the bacon and the onions. So we'll do that for a couple of minutes. While the potatoes are warming through, we'll season it with some fresh sea salt and some pepper. So now it is ready. We can transfer it from the frying pan into our serving dish. We'll just add one last little touch. We'll just add some nice fresh herbs on the top, just to give it a little bit of green. And then, obviously before we serve it to anybody, we'll have a little taste. So we'll cut one of these potatoes. That is good.